That's all madness. Somebody has created, some miscreant has created a mischief. That's all. Okay?
इलेक्शन पयलीं तुमकां अशें करचा पडटालें.
इतले बेगीन खंय इलेक्शन अजून 8 महिने आसात.
ना तातूंत ते सिग्नेचर अध्यक्ष
Some that appropriate action should be taken and will be taken.
के कंप्लेंट घालता तुमी
हा?
कंप्लेंट घालताले
कंप्लेंट घालतले
पार्टी लेवल जातली नाल्यार हांव करतालो.
पर्सनल
पार्टी लेवल जायन जर जाय जाल्यार आय एम गोइंग टू फायल.
ओके
So did you speak with Tanwade sir?
ना हांव सांगता मेळटलो. It's not a big issue, but still, see, this sort of thing should not happen. This sort of things. Today it is regarding me. Tomorrow it can be for anybody. And then this sort of a miscreants would create and sort of what I should say, muster courage if this is just neglected. Okay.
So how confident?
Is a very criminal thing.
येता ते इलेक्शन
To forge the signature of a party president is very.
So how confident you are for getting this ticket?
This is my 10th election would be if at all there is a blessing from High Command.